up guys, it's me Umair Ramay. Welcome to RamayAdventure. Today I'm going to do a quick taste test for another Korean coffee which is called Caffe Bean. I bought the Real Brew cinnamon roasting. Can you see at the bottom? Real Brew cinnamon roasting. I bought it for 1,500 won, which is 145 US dollars. So today is a taste test again for the Caffe Bean Real Brew. Let me open it and I put my straw. So my straw is ready. Let me show you my coffee. So here we go. Let me just put inside. Okay, finally. Here we go. Okay, finally. Now up to me, and let me give you my opinion on the coffee. Bloody mind-blowing. I mean, I don't know why sometimes I like Korean coffee. This is one of the best Korean coffee I think I have for this price point. I mean, it's really very awesome. I mean, that cinnamon stick flavor is really, I mean, touching it. I mean, I can easily say you must buy this one. Yeah, thumbs up, highly recommend. Bye.